All right, guys. So we're here with Daniel and the great Mr. Craig Butler. Um, Finishing the game today, it's not a result that we all wanted. But what would be your thoughts overall, or a summary of the game today?
Alright, you start when I'm finished.
I think that the game was a game of moments, and I think Jamaica in the second half showed the fight and resilience that is needed. I think the players played very well in the second half, pressing more and not turning the ball back more. I think Leon was super, Bobby Reed exceptional. I think when Romario Williams also came on, held up the ball well, put the proper pressure on, and Whisper changed the game. You know, his crosses were excellent. The defenders started to push up more and took more risk. You know, in life, if you don't take risk, you will not succeed, whether it is a goal or a career. Sometimes you have to take a chance. And if you play not to lose, most times you won't win. You will just not lose, you know.
All right. So based on that comment, Mr. Butler, I had the same sentiments. 'Cause both the goals that we scored today, they weren't really timed shots. They were just, hey, let's put my foot through the ball and see where it goes. In my opinion, I think it was just a chance thing. So what would you say pertaining to the players that started, mainly up front? We saw that they were a bit lackadaisical in the first half. What would be your pointers going to them to work on in the future?
I think Boza, you know, Boza is a good player, but I would like to see him fitter with some less pounds on and focused. You know, he's still young, his career is still going, and we want to see much more out of him. So I think he was a little sluggish up front today, and I think that if he really put his mind to it, he can be 10 times a better player. And I think that the players on the pitch, Latibodir, the midfielder, needs to make more through passes. He's not taking a risk. He's playing the ball back, and he's naturally a defender. So his idea is to not lose, and he has to take chances, make the through passes into the spaces behind the wing backs and the central defenders, and we will get a lot more chances. We'll score more goals because we have the pace, we have the skills, and we have the tenacity. As I said before, this team doesn't know just how good it is, you know, and the more they play together is the better they're going to be.
All right, Daniel, your thoughts?
Yeah, man, I think the camaraderie over time will pay dividends. I think Javane Brown was really good tonight. His recovery was really good. Going forward was really good. But it's still work in progress. And I think with a little bit more time, as Sir Cricket said, we can definitely be a better team.
All right, so for me, the second half it was extremely better. It's the first time I've seen where we've really possessed a very physical team, and we kept possession for a time where you saw where the Haitians themselves, even when they were leading a 2-1, they were wasting a lot of time. When the game was 2-all, they were wasting a lot of time. Is that something that the coach can work on to say that, hey, all right, we have now gotten more comfortable with the ball? It's something that we can work on?
I think that if you notice, the game plan for Haiti today was not to lose the ball. Yeah, they rested their best striker, yeah, Etienne, and they tried to put 5 at the back and defend the whole game and counter. It worked because they caught us sleeping with the 2 goals. But outside of that, once we started to push forward and to realize what we could achieve, we were making headways into their back line, and you know, we had so many chances that were saved off the line. You know, that we really should have won this game by about 4 or 5. But the ball is round, and the good thing is the coach came out with a draw. He hasn't lost. So they continue, and we keep going as a nation, and we keep giving the support. And we need to keep coming into the stadium and fill it up and let the boys know, no matter what we think of the administration and how they're doing at the JFF, what we have to do is to support the boys and support our country regardless, and give our best for them, cheer for them, scream for them. Make sure you throw this horse after the game.
Make sure that you sing Whisper's name whenever it's going on the field as well.
Exactly. We want Whisper.
We want Whisper.
Yeah, and you know, Leon is really impressing me so much as a leader. He came off the pitch, he's not happy. He's not happy. He went inside, he's not happy, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing, because as a leader, when your leader is not happy, you're going to have to perform the next game.
All right, so we do appreciate you guys taking the time to speak with us at MG Sports. We do hope to see the Reggae Boyz soon, because we love the camaraderie. We love how the team has brought the Jamaican football fans back together. As you said, there are some things that needs to be worked on within the football itself, but we saw where the team has brought back the fans into the stadium, and hopefully we can see that the fans full out next time. All right then, so thanks again guys for taking the time.